Today's the big day. In just a few hours, the Supreme Court will hear oral arguments in two major cases that will shape the future of female sports. Specifically, the question is whether states can prevent biological males from competing against females. Our next guest will be outside the court for a rally, former NCAA swimmer and Independent Counsel on Women's Sports Ambassador Caitlin Wheeler. Caitlin, great to have you here. What questions should the justices be asking today?
Well, let me start by saying how excited I am. I can't express how excited I am to be here. I don't think I hardly slept last night thinking about how monumental this day really is and what this means to me, what it means to all the women who have been fighting at the forefront of this fight for years now, fighting for women and women's rights. So many people that I care dearly for. And so I'm excited to be with them on the steps later today. This is something we've been working towards for years. But we're hoping that justice will be restored, of course. But as far as like what these two cases mean, at the most basic level, you said so yourself, they're about whether states are even allowed to protect girls' sports based on biology, which is crazy. These two cases out of West Virginia and Idaho passed laws saying girls' sports are for girls. And now the Supreme Court has to decide whether those protections are allowed to stand. They will be voting on whether women deserve to have equal rights and opportunities and safety and privacy in our sports and in our spaces. It's crazy to me that these things are even up for debate, but we will be on those Supreme Court steps today to remind girls that they do matter.
To that point, our Fox News poll last year showed that almost 70% of Americans favor banning transgender women, i.e. biological men, from women's sports. So why do you think the left is fighting so hard for an unpopular opinion all the way to the Supreme Court?
Well, if common sense were still common, I would say that we would have won this battle. We would have won this fight by now. We know that the overwhelming majority of the American people are fed up with the nonsense. I'm fed up. The American people are fed up. People voted on this in the 2024 election. President Trump campaigned on this. We're ready to see sanity to be restored in our country. We know that the small majority that are still supporting this insanity, I think they're just afraid to tell the truth. And at this point, it's become too politically expensive to now just say women can only be women and men can only be men. It's crazy.
One question that I fully expect some member or multiple members of the Supreme Court to ask is the following. What is the solution for the transgender athletes? Is the solution creating what I'm going to call a third set of divisions or leagues or whatever? You have your males, you have your females, and then you have your transgenders. Is that the solution?
Look, a third category sounds ideal, sounds great, but it's been tried before and failed. That is not the solution that they are looking for. But I think we need to get back to what sports really mean, why we have two sporting categories, a men's and a women's division. It is because men and women are different. We have to get back to the science. We have to get back to reality, and we have to protect young girls and protect the future of female athletes and their opportunities and rights.
Another question I could see them asking, if your side wins and if states are allowed to create these laws that ban biological men from women's sports, could you see transgender athletes then moving to the states en masse that don't ban transgender men and women from sports?
Absolutely. But this is what happens when you get a group of athletes and strong women and athletes together to fight. You give them a goal and we fight till we win. So in those states that are still pushing back, we're still going to fight in those states and advocate for the young girls there who are looking to win, looking to achieve, and looking to accomplish their goals in their sports.
Yeah, I mean, that could be needed if, like I said, the Supreme Court rules in your favor and you see a lot of these individuals en masse moving to states like mine in Connecticut, where, you know, I always mention I have two girls. You could see an influx of transgender athletes in those schools competing against girls like mine. So we will see ultimately where this all shakes out. Huge day in front of the Supreme Court. Caitlin Wheeler, thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.